Hello, I'm back to talk about my experiences working with Carmen. As you can tell, whatever I say now will be scripted because it's said through Carmen's perspective. But Carmen is being objective and trying to talk from the eyes of me, the contractor. Basically, Carmen is a very strict designer. She doesn't allow shade because she knows the shade when hits the fan, consequences will be jalat. So she rather works ahead and preempt whatever problems there will be by sounding loso and reminding me 10 million times, or for breathing on my neck and make sure I follow her instructions, or to nag at my workers for the small things so that they will remember to do. Not that my workers mind. A lot of my workers like her because she talks rubbish with them. And she has no airs about her, which is something I like too because it shows that she respects people in general. But one thing for sure, Carmen is very strict about certain things that I shouldn't be doing. For instance, it pisses her off big time when, let's say, something is supposed to happen on Monday on the site in terms of work needing to be done, and we have already arranged everything to be done on that day, but along the way schedule is changed, things are affected, and the stuff is no longer supposed to be done on Monday. Yet I forgot to inform Carmen, and there Carmen will be on site waiting for the workers to come, to only realize that there is 0 workers there to do anything. I tell you, pisses Carmen off big time because it shows a lack of proper communication and a lack of respect shown to her as a designer. Because if things are to change, the designer should be notified so that she can be on top of things in general and have better control of the workflow.